Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to edit a section. Guys, this is my section of services, and I want to edit this complete section. What I will do, I will select this section and then I will go quick edit. We have to click on quick edit. Here you can change the background color. If I want to change some of solid color like this blue color, and you can add more colors from here. And you can apply gradient as well if you want to apply, and you can change its color from here. And you can apply any picture behind this services page. You can select your image from here, but I think it's looking good with this solid color. You can add any type of video behind this page. Like if I add this video behind my services page, I've select this background and then I have clicked on change background button. So this will be play like this. When visitor visit this website, then the background will play like this, and I think it's looking more catchy apart any solid color. If we go back, then we can write title from here. If we want to want some changes in title, then we can add from here. These are the features for text. This is my first paragraph, cloud solution, and then all these paragraphs over here. If we want to change any paragraph, then we can copy and we will paste over here, and then we will save it. So guys, as you can see, it's my background. It has been totally changed with this video. So same as you can also change your background, and you can also edit your background from quick edit, and you can get more amazing features to edit your section. So guys, this is how to quick edit section on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.